never feel happy. Never feel happy. No, you won't. Until you try. You never feel happy. This song is not a wrong song, but this song is a real song. You never feel happy until you try. Never feel happy until you try. You never feel happy. I want to tell you, you try. I need to be happy. Every day.
Well, my organisation back at home in Ireland, they produce some documents about Lithuania and this project, so this is where I heard about it.
Hosting, sending organisation, and I did have a choose for Finland and Lithuania. I choose Lithuania
because it's an experience to experience different countries and what it's like to work in different countries.
Because I heard so many beautiful things for this country, for these people here, and
No, I wasn't nervous to come to Lithuania. I was nervous a little bit to meet new people because I like to meet new people, and sometimes I come across as overconfident because I was nervous.
No.
Yes, I really enjoying my work. It was very interesting for me. I improved my skills.
I really am enjoying my work here. It's really good. I like working with my hands and working with the wood. So, yeah, I'm enjoying.
Yes, it's a very nice town, very nice people, and all around it's a brilliant place.
I think that's the best point this time when we work together like a team, and when we talk with each other really honest.
And let me see, making sculptures.
Learn swimming, cycling,
improve my English, learn new expressions in different languages.
Learn new, how to say, wood crafting skills, be nicer, don't be shy anymore. Did learn how to speak English more better.
At first, you should read a lot about this project because you should know what you can expect from this project. Second, you should spend more time with other volunteers because it's really you have only one chance to spend a really great month with really great people.
To be not shy and express their opinions.
This song is not a wrong song, but this song is a